Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a lamb rib with our ways.
Make what? Ram rib.
Lamb rib. Yeah, our recipe. And nice. Okay, we used 1 kilo of lamb ribs, and this is the most important. This ingredient: coriander root, garlic, and black pepper. Yeah, we grind it with a pestle mortar. We used one handful of garlic, handful of coriander root, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. If you cannot get coriander root, you can get a coriander stem and leaf. Brown sugar, honey, light soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking oil, and dark soy sauce. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the amount we're going to show now. 3 spoons coriander root and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, oh, this one real honey 100%. This one from the jungle. We get from Thailand. And 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, but we use rice bran oil, and 1 tablespoon of sweet dark soy sauce. Okay, and use hand, yeah, to mix and marinate this one for half an hour. If you have time, you can leave it overnight, and after that we grill with the pan, or you can use the grill you've got at home. We don't have the grill. The easy way is use the pan.
In the oven you can also do?
Yeah, in the oven also, yeah, you can.
Just wrap in the foil.
Yeah, but you have to keep looking every 5 minutes.
I can smell the sesame oil. I love smell of sesame oil.
But get rid of the smell of lamb. Yeah, that's why this one, our recipe. A little bit more of salt. Just more, that's it. We don't, after we grill, we don't need any salt, or you can eat with nam chim chao. But this one, you don't need it. And then you cover with the cling film half an hour. Yeah, like I said, if you have time, you can leave it overnight. Yeah, and keep in the fridge, the normal temperature, half an hour.
A few moments later.
Okay, take out from the fridge. Okay. Oh, this one really worth. This one what's called cast iron.
Cast iron, yeah.
Yeah, cast iron and thick.
Not castle.
Castle.
Not castle. Castle is the...
Yeah, no, castle. Cast iron, yeah, sorry.
Cast iron.
Yeah, cast iron. Okay, we use the cast iron pan. Yeah, and non-stick, this one non-stick. Yeah, a little bit thick and heavy. And we warm it, but the gas not too high, slow gas. Or if you do barbecue, because now summer, if you do barbecue, you can grill in the garden. right? And then don't let the neighbor come and steal your food because the smell. I tell you. You think I bomb? Yeah, but don't cut this one, yeah.
No.
Yeah, you can see hot enough or not. You know, I didn't put oil this one.
So I got fat anyway.
Yeah, we got fat from lamb. Because I clean this ingredient ก่อน because I burn. This is how the lip look like from our way. Now I cook medium, not well done. If you like well done, you can cook more. Kila, look at the door. Someone come and want to steal my rib. Okay. Yeah. Now you can just eat like this, or you can eat with the dip sauce, nam chim chao. But I eat like this with rice. Yeah, for our lunch.
Okay, so we're going to try these ribs, and everyone likes ribs, don't they? I mean, it's ribs. So let's find a nice juicy bit. This looks good. Doesn't that look good? Okay. Look at that, it pulls apart so easily. Wow. These are so good. Tender, tasty. When you think we only marinated them for half an hour, they really are good. Obviously, if you did it overnight, wow. Wow. Forgot to get a plate. So, give that a go at home. Well, I mean, today's not perfect weather for it, but you know, it is what it is. We're in the UK, so you know, it's been pretty poor weather of late. So yeah, it's perfect weather. Give that a go. You really won't be disappointed. Obviously, if you want to use this recipe for pork ribs or lamb chops, pork chops, or even you know, like a chicken on a spit, you know, you can use anything. You can use this with anything. So yeah, give it a go, and we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.